Hi everybody, it's Ryan here from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making a Merry Pickford cocktail. That's going to be in the Drink Tips collaboration with Chef Adventures, Just Ate, Robbie P Vlogs, Blake Hadrian, Cook Classy, Lagom Eats, Chef Geoff and Jimmy Mac. It's a very old cocktail recipe named after the movie star of the time, Mary Pickford. Now, Mary Pickford was married to Douglas Fairbanks Senior, and she used to hang around with Charlie Chaplin. So she must have been a bit of a game old bird. So let's get to making her cocktail. As you can see, I've got the ice chilling down the cocktail glass. I'm going to place this into the cocktail shaker, like so. Bring that down there. Maybe a little bit more ice. Get things going. Now first off, I'm going to add 5 ml or 1 tablespoon of Grenadine. The same again of Maraschino liqueur. Then I'm going to switch across to some white rum, 60 ml or 1 part. In there. I'm going to use some pineapple juice, 60 ml or 1 part. And that's going in there. Now we've got to give it a little bit of a shake. Let's bang the lid on. Pour the glass across. Tip that in there. No, look at the hue on that. What a lovely colour. Got a little bit of foam from the pineapple. And to garnish it, use some cherries if you want to. May as well. See that on the side? Beautiful. And that's a Mary Pickford cocktail. As I said, she was married to Douglas Fairbanks Senior. She used to knock around with Charlie Chaplin. And apparently it was against the law to drink cocktails and stuff at that time because it was a prohibition. So all I've got to do next is a taste test. Right, hi everyone. Thanks for watching. Here's the cocktail. Time for the taste test. That's really good. Really easy cocktail. White rum, 1 part. Pineapple juice, 1 part. Muscarano, 1 tablespoon. Grenadine, 1 tablespoon, loads of ice, give it a shake, bosh it in, there's your cocktail. And how nice does it look? Cheers everybody. Thanks for watching. If you like what I do, please do subscribe. Check out the links up there for my other cocktail videos under the hashtag Drinks Tips. There's other creators in there as well. They've all got some really good cocktail recipes and other drinks, so please do subscribe to them and check their videos out. This is Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. See you again soon. I will be making a Merry Pickford cocktail. It's a historical cocktail.